In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. If a website isn't remembering your preferences, you keep getting signed out, or certain embedded features aren't loading, third-party cookies might be blocked in your browser. I'll walk you through enabling them step by step, and I'll also explain what each setting means so you can make an informed choice. First, open Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window for the 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu button, and you'll find it next to your profile icon and the extensions area. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. Chrome will open your settings in a new tab so you can keep your current pages open. On the Settings page, glance over to the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your data, including history, site permissions, and cookies. It's the central place for adjusting how websites can store information in your browser. Inside Privacy and Security, click on Third-Party Cookies. This page focuses specifically on cookies that come from domains other than the site you're directly visiting, such as content from embedded video players, maps, chat widgets, or payment processors. Some websites rely on these to function properly, especially for sign-in across services or loading external content. Now choose Allow Third-Party Cookies. This setting tells Chrome to permit those external services to save and read cookies, which can help fix issues like repeated login prompts, stuck checkout flows, or content that refuses to display. The change takes effect right away. You don't need to restart your browser. If something was failing to load a moment ago, simply revisit the page or give it a quick refresh, and it should behave as expected. A quick note on privacy. Enabling third-party cookies can also allow advertisers and analytics tools to track activity across multiple sites. If you're turning them on to solve a specific problem, keep in mind you can always come back to this same third-party cookies page and adjust the setting later. Chrome also offers site-specific controls under privacy settings if you prefer a more tailored approach. That's it. You've enabled third-party cookies in Google Chrome, which should restore full functionality to sites that depend on them. If you ever want to change this preference, repeat these steps and pick a different option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your browser working the way you need.